Hi everyone, Chef Anthony here at Don's Appliances. Today I'm going over a 30-inch Whirlpool freestanding stainless steel range. This is model number WFG550S0LZ. This is another great range under $1,000. So an all gas range, ton of fit and features. I'm going to talk about the control panel first, and I like this because it's a little bit squared out and nice and flat. A lot of them are elevated and things like that. I feel like this is just a clean, easy look. Next, I'm going to talk about right here. So here's our first three. We have our bake, our standard bake, and our standard broil, which is great being an all-gas range. Really heats up nice and clean. Self-cleaning on a 30-inch gas range too, which is huge. When we get here, here's our specialty features, and that's what really makes this this oven stand out. So we're gonna talk about a few features. It has some frozen settings, but it has that all-important air fry. Everybody loves the air fry now. They keep them on the counter and things like that. In this range, for under $1,000, you get to air fry in the range, which gives you more capacity. Now you could do, a dozen chicken wings. You could do, lasagna bites, anything like that in quantity, kind of feed the whole family in a setting, and keeping it off the island. So it'll have that air fry, and then we have that convection bake, which is ideal for baking your cookies, your breads, your pies, even your brownies, things like that. What's gonna happen, that convection fan's gonna go on and push the air around the oven cavity, going left to right of the oven. So it really makes it a nice even bake. Talk about two more over here as well. So we have the lasagna and the pizza setting. These are just convenience functions for frozen items. So if you're making that frozen pizza, in the back of your mind, let me just hit that pizza setting. It's gonna go to the right setting for you and bake that pizza or that lasagna from frozen. You could even do a mac and cheese. I've done it. So it's just great options. Over here, you got your standard light, your standard timer, and your delayed start. So you got a cook time, a delayed start, a general timer, which is very nice, and the light setting. So the cooktop itself is very seamless. You know what I mean? This is nice and easy. It's not overwhelming. These are continuous glide racks. So from right to left or left to right, you can glide that pan, if I'm pan searing right here and then I'm finishing a sauce over here, I can slide it to the left, slide it to the right. And what we're gonna do, we've got two big burners in the center right here to the right and left. So that's really our power burners. We have our mid eye over here and our lowest eye in the back. This is really where we're gonna hold, tea kettle. We're gonna keep our sauces finishing over there without scorching. The really good piece is the fifth burner right here, this oval burner, the fish burner they like to call it. This is great for a big skillet. If you wanna heat up a big skillet, you got a pot of chili that you wanna heat up right there, or even, I always tell customers, if you have leftovers or you got some catered items that you just wanna keep warm, you can keep it warm on here as well. So really gives you a lot of options. And then this burner, elongated like that, really deals with that longer pan. Great cooktop, great power on this one. And let's talk about this. I'm gonna go inside. Let's look at the oven. Great interior here. You have nice racking. Here's our broiler element, it's direct center. That's our convection fan. That's really, it's gonna do all the work. That's gonna do the air fry that I talked about. That's gonna really convect for the convection bake, doing the cookies and the pies and things like that. Nice Duracoat finish. This can clean up very easily, and like I said, a nice self-cleaning range for under $1,000. This is great. Great stainless knobs. That's a nice feature and finish right there. Great range for under $1,000 from Whirlpool. Guys, hope you enjoy this video. Thanks so much.